House designs on small plots. Apartments on a 50 by 100 plot designed by Michael Mkaira. Today we are looking at how to put some apartments on a small piece of land, say 50 by 100 plot. We do have here 3 plots. Each of these plots is basically 50 by 100. Now, we are concentrating on the middle plot, which is also 100 feet by 50 feet, or 30 meters against 15 meters. Now, this we do have basically 4 apartments on 4 floor levels, and for us to be able to achieve more, we've been able to use basically almost half of the plot in this manner. Now, this is the ground floor layout. What we do have here is basically an entrance porch. This is the main entrance. We do have stairs accessing the next level, some storage below the stairs. Then we have the lounge and then kitchen area here. This WC serves both the public and the bedroom number 2. Then we do have our master bedroom this side. It also has a balcony. And we also have laundry space, just access from the lobby here. Now, as you go to the next level, this remains a typical floor plan layout for both the other levels. But important to note is that actually, for instance, our master bedroom is quite huge, 3.2 meters against 4.2, okay, or 4.15. That's a very huge bedroom as far as an apartment is concerned. Moreover, with a balcony and all these other amenities accordingly. Now, let's look at this in 3D. A big this. So this is the front view. This is where we have our main entrance to the apartment, and this area here is basically where we have our lounge. As you come to this side elevation, this is this point where we have our kitchen, and then we do have this area is where we have our bedroom. This is also a duct space because remember we have a toilet area here, and also this is a duct but also a toilet for the master bedroom. As we come to this side, these are the balconies in the master bedroom, and this is the laundry section. But also here at this point, this is where we have our staircase. So this is a simple 2-bedroomed unit for apartments on a 50 by 100 piece of land. Most people think you can't build, apartments on a small piece of land like 50 by 100. So here we are. I encourage you to keep watching my videos and for such kind of designs and get more understanding on how one can actually do much with a small piece of land. Thanks for watching.